know how to do this, man. Just keep it open and just tear it apart already.
Yeah, actually,
Like you can edit all of this. Oh, that's like a nice big fancy box that we have inside.
1 second, we've got to turn the upside down actually because it's upside down. 1 second.
No, you want the other side, right?
This is how it's supposed to.
Yeah, wait, hang on, leave it. Let go. Let go. Yeah.
This will
We'll do it again. Hang on. We'll do it again. Tree getting out. Okay, how does this look?
This is great. I think you're looking
Ho, ho, ho.
all geared up. Fun for Christmas and New Year.
You can't record this.
No,
Let
go
me
on.
do it again. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, how do I look?
Hey, this is Ceema.
Hi, it's me Niharika and we are here with one of our last videos of 2019.
That's right. And since it's almost New Year, I think it's only fair to spend this time with our lovely viewers, with you.
Yes, that's right. And that's exactly the reason we have got a fun video for you. So stay tuned with us.
Yes, what we're going to do in this video is we are going to talk about some common ways of wishing people a new year, followed by some more quirky and creative ones.
Sounds fun.
But before we do that, Niharika, there is something you got to tell people, right?
Oh yes. So for the New Year's, we have received this amazing, huge box. Oh my God, that's really heavy, guys. Okay,
I'm
Ceema.
obviously more stronger.
Yes. Well, so this is the box that we received from YouTube, and we are really excited to unbox it, and we shall unbox it at the end of this video. So make sure that you do watch the complete video of ours.
Yes, and thank you, YouTube, for giving us something so amazing. Okay then, so let's talk about the most common ways of wishing people a new year. Let's talk about the more formal ones, okay? So what would you normally say, Niharika, to someone who wants to know what to say if they have to wish someone a new year?
So when you say that you gotta wish someone in a very formal manner, so that means that if, for example, you are here to wish your colleagues at work, well, you can say something as simple as wishing you a very happy new year, full of joy and happiness.
Well, that's a good one. I would simply say, cheers to the new year, out with the old, in with the new, have a good one.
Now, that's a good one. And well, there are many more, but in this video we are going to look at some quirky ones.
That's right. So in order to do that, we have kind of come up with a little game. So in this bowl, as you can see, we have a lot of chits. Now these chits only contain words, just one word, and based on the word in the chit, we're gonna have to come up with a New Year expression just like that, okay?
Oh,
so
that's
we're
cool.
totally unprepared for this.
Yes.
So it may not be the best, but I'm sure you can use it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'm gonna start with the first one. I'll just go with my favorite color. That's
lavender.
Okay. Well, I was gonna say purple, but I like lavender. So we're gonna say, well, I get sorry. So
Sorry.
this is like, when you have offended someone way too much this year. Well, you can say that, hey, Happy New Year to you. Well, you guys have offended me way too much and it's time for you to apologize right now. So it's a very cheeky way of wishing someone a New Year's, but that's how you can do it.
Well, Niharika is cheeky, but she does not offend people too much. I have to say that. Okay. So, okay, I've got the same color. And let's see the word I've got. Resolutions. Well, New Year comes with resolutions, right? So what would I say about that? Well, this is one way to wish someone. I would say, Happy New Year. Only stick around those people who don't ask you about your New Year resolutions. Have fun.
That's funny. Well, I am sure this is one of the weeks when people are just going to come up to you and going to say that, hey, what's your New Year resolution?
Can get pretty annoying, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll go with the next one. Okay. Well, the bowl is way too small. Oh dear, we're gonna manage. Okay. Beer. Okay, well, this is for all the beer lovers.
Are you a beer lover, Niharika?
I think I am, yeah. I don't drink way too much. I don't like it. Like my body can't take it, but yes, I think I like beer.
Okay, so what do you have for that word?
So with beer, maybe you can go with, I promise not to drink beer anymore, but since it is just before 12, maybe I can go with another one. So cheers to that and wishing you a very happy new year.
How typical. How typical of beer lovers.
Yes.
Anyway, let me try the pink one. Oops. Okay. Old. Well, this makes me feel a little old. But, well, since we're talking about New Year, of course, things that have gone past are pretty old. So I might say something like, well, Happy New Year. You had the New Year, but don't forget that I'm your old friend or I'm your old girlfriend. So if you're wishing your wife, you can say, well, Happy New Year, but don't forget I'm your old husband. So, yeah. Yeah, the people should never change, right?
Yes, I agree to this. Well, let's go with another one. Okay, let's see, what do I have? Well, spend time with people.
People.
Social media, guys. So nowadays, if you really see that people are throughout on their phones and not with their loved ones. I mean, even if they are with their loved ones, but they are on their phones. So I think the way you can wish people is that, hey guys, wishing you a very happy new year. Well, I really hope that you spend more time with your loved ones and not on your phone.
Well, that's a good one because I think we have more of social media friends and less of real friends, right? So this year, I think it's time to make real friends.
Yeah.
Okay, which brings me to the next word, which is quitter. Okay, I'm no quitter, okay? But if I was gonna really wish someone in a very cheeky way, I would say something like, well, I was gonna quit all my bad habits, but I'm not a quitter, so I'm not gonna make any resolutions this year. Happy New Year to all of you.
That's funny. Well, here's another one, which is success. Well, success, if you would like to wish someone in a very funny manner, so you can say that, hey, wish you a very happy new year. Well, you already are way too successful, so it's time for wishing me success, right?
Okay, well, you're wishing yourself. That's great.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, I'm selfish.
Okay. Well, I get drunk.
Okay.
Well, let me tell you, I don't get drunk very often. But if I were to wish you, based on this word, I would say something like, before I get drunk and before I lose my phone, I want to wish you all a very happy new year before the clock strikes 12. Happy New Year, guys. Have a fun time.
All right, here we go with the next one. Well, let me see, what do I have? Dog. Aw, well, I am a crazy, crazy dog lover. Well, you know how dogs are. I mean, they're unconditional love, isn't it? It's just so amazing. It's just so heartwarming.
She's got 4.
Yeah, I
the
do.
record.
I do, yes. So if you would like to wish someone, well, you can say that, hey, Happy New Year to you, and hope you receive and you give unconditional love to your loved ones, just like your little dog.
Yeah, well, I'm not sure if it's possible, but, you know.
Yeah, we can always try.
Yeah, dogs love more than humans, don't they?
Yes.
Okay, oh, I like this word. The next one's change. Well, what would I say for that? Well, I could say something like, may you change as much as you change your DP. Because, you know, I think people change their DP all the time.
Yeah.
But change is kind of more gradual. So I hope everyone changes as much as they change their social media profile.
And for good.
And for good, yes, that's right.
Okay.
Okay, here's your...
Thank you. Okay. Well, here's the last one from my end, and oops. Well, that's wait. Well, okay. Now be very careful when you use this for someone wishing a New Year's, because people do get offended. But if you're doing it for your friends, well, it's all right. You can just say that, hey, hope you lose some weight this year. Wishing you a very happy New Year.
I hope these are very quirky expressions that you can really use when wishing people who are close to you. You don't have to stick with the boring formal ways of doing that. Okay, so now we're gonna reflect back on what happened in the past year, because it's time to always reflect and see what we've accomplished, right?
Yes, so how the year really went and how good or how bad it was for us and for you guys. And in fact, I am going to ask some questions to Ceema, and Ceema, probably you can ask me some questions about 2019. And along with that, even you guys can answer these questions in the comment box. I mean, we would love to know how 2019 was really for you. So I'm going to start with, let me see. So we've got some questions out here. So Ceema, tell me something that you have learned that you really didn't know before.
Well, I love to learn new things, and this year I managed to learn some Spanish. It's always been a goal of mine, so yo hablo español.
Oh my God, that sounds amazing.
And I have to tell you this, that if I can learn Spanish, I think you guys can learn English, because no one speaks Spanish in my country and I managed. So I think anyone can learn English, right?
Yes. Have you been Netflixing a lot?
A little bit.
Oh. All right.
Okay, so the next question for Niharika is, which is the best or the most favorite place you've visited this year?
Well, 2019 was all about travel for me. I really traveled a lot, and I think one of the most amazing and magical places that I visited was Turkey. Yes, people were really nice, the weather was great, the food was great, so I would go with Istanbul, Turkey.
Niharika travels a lot. Niharika, how don't you have a travel blog? I mean, why don't you have one?
Someday I will.
Right, so yeah, the next question.
Okay, Ceema, so tell me the best advice you received.
Well, I think the best advice I've received is to just be myself, to just go with the flow and not care about things too much, because sometimes I worry too much, you know. So just be myself and just take a chill pill, just be cool.
And who gave you this advice?
Well, one of my friends did, and yeah, it was good advice.
Yes, I'm sure she loves you. All right, here's the next one.
Okay, well, this is the question for Niharika, because we're gonna see the best compliment that she's received. She receives a lot of compliments, so.
Well, I love receiving compliments, yes. I mean, it just totally makes my day, you know. So one of the best compliments that I received this year would be, yeah, I mean, you know, I was traveling Dubai this year, and someone just said that he cracked his interview just by watching my lessons, and I think it was just so nice of him to even mention that.
That's fantastic. I think it's great. Okay.
So Ceema, tell me, I would go with, which is the best movie of the year? 2019.
I'm a complete movie buff, by the way, and I've watched more than maybe 20 movies this year, but the best one I've watched is Knives Out. You've got to watch it, a very gripping murder mystery.
Yes.
Okay, so Niharika, the most memorable day of the year?
Memorable day? Well, I would go with when I got a very cute little dog.
Oh.
Yeah, this was just a couple of months ago, and she is really sweet and adorable. She's still a puppy, and I have named her Butter.
Isn't that precious? Yes. Butter. Okay then.
So Ceema, tell me, when did you laugh the hardest?
Actually, we did that together.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, we did, because when we were going to a city called Delhi for a YouTube fest, you know, I was supposed to say something in Hindi, and the camera was just turned on me, and I said something very weird, but we all ended up laughing at me, and I laughed at myself, but we really had a great hearty laugh.
It was funny,
and,
yeah.
It was.
Well, she sounds a little funny when it comes to Hindi, so yes, we all laughed.
But because I can speak Spanish, I will learn Hindi one day.
I'm sure she will. Just like you guys, the way y'all are learning English, I'm sure she will also learn or be a little better in Hindi.
Hey, so that was real fun, but now it's time to do something that our viewers are waiting to watch.
Yes, we are gonna unbox this amazing, huge gift. All right, okay, Ceema, I need your hand for this. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're gonna unbox this box, and I am really excited. I am so keen on the things that we have received. The box is really nice and fancy. It says, well, of course, it shows YouTube and it says that you deserve something special. Oh, that is so sweet. Okay, so let's have a look, Ceema, the things that we have received.
Okay, but it also says being awesome is exhausting, right? So it's time to relax and recharge.
That is so thoughtful. Thank you, YouTube.
Thank you. Okay, do you want to read this, Niharika?
Oh, well, it says, hey there, as we look back on 2019, we are awed and inspired by your creativity and dedication to your craft and your community. And thank you for a great year. Well, cheers to another great year. Team YouTube.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's see, what do we have here? Wow, what is that? Well, oh, this is like a pullover.
It's bigger than a pullover, really. Niharika, do you want to try wearing it?
Whoa. Well, yeah, I can do that. Let me see. So here it is. How do I look, guys? What do you think?
Well, I think you're great. I mean, you kind of look like Santa Claus, to be honest.
I do. Ho, ho, ho.
Okay, that's a pullover. Okay, let's see what else is in it. Okay, well, we have a face mask. It says that this is going to help us upgrade our skin.
Oh, that's nice. I like that. I'm going to try that tonight.
You have to, yes.
Okay, let me see what else do we have. Okay. Oh, these are YouTube socks.
Well, for the winters, you need a pair of socks to keep you warm, don't you? And, well, we have the ear shades, which will help you work seamlessly without any disturbance. So whether you're on the road or whether you're just at home and you want to get some peace, you can just do it without.
Okay, here's another thing. Let me see. Oh, wow. Get great sleep wherever you are. So it's like a portable machine and you can listen to music while you're traveling or sleeping. That's interesting.
Yeah. Definitely. Something that helps us sleep is definitely something we need.
Yes. So this is amazing. There are so many things in this box. I love the box as well. And of course, all the stuff that they have gifted us.
Awesome.
So thank you so much, YouTube. And I hope you viewers also enjoyed the stuff that we've received.
Thank you, viewers. Without you, this would not have been possible.
True.
You have made it possible for us. So we want to wish everyone a happy new year. We want you to stay safe and we want you to keep learning, keep practicing, and make sure you do the best as far as learning English goes.
Yes, absolutely. And thank you so much for all your support, guys, and for all the love that you have given us in 2019 and past so many years, in fact. And we look forward for 2020. And of course, we look forward to teaching you, and you guys look forward to learning from us.
Happy New Year once again.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Bye.